Setting goals for mental health recovery. Recovery goals are objectives that a person sets that are related directly to their recovery and that may have been put on pause due to their mental health condition. Goal setting is the process of planning for the future and thinking about what you want out of your recovery journey and your life. Setting personal goals, big and small, can help you focus on what's important to you. Learning how to set goals and achieve them can help you live the life you want while managing your mental health recovery. When you set your own goals, you are in control and you decide what success looks and feels like to you. It can be helpful to think about what's important to you, what you want to accomplish, what you want out of your life. Here are some tips for setting goals. Set clear, specific goals. Having simple and realistic goals can help you focus and be more likely to reach them. Take small steps. Break down big goals into smaller ones so they are more manageable and easier to reach. Get support. It's not always easy to reach a goal, so some people appreciate help. Think about which people from your treatment team or support network might be able to help you. Share your goals with others. If you share goals publicly, you may feel more committed to reaching them. Stay positive. Having hope and believing in yourself can inspire you to accomplish your goals. Improve or build a relationship with a friend or a family member. Establishing close ties with your loved ones can do wonderful things for your mind and body. This has been found to be very effective practice. Get involved in the community. Engaging yourself more often in the outside world will allow you to improve your mental health. It has been also found that socializing is one of the most effective ways to improve mental health. Developing healthy habits. You may try to develop healthy habits like reading books or getting into exercise routines. It's up to you what these habits will be. But keep in mind that you must choose habits that will definitely help you for the better. Track your successes and challenges. Remember to share your progress with your treatment team and give yourself credit for the work you're doing.